Hey, welcome to the video. So today we're testing a 22-inch 120 watt LED light bar that was sent by Auxmart. These light bars can be found on Amazon for about $25.99 with free shipping. I'm mounting this to the roof of a scrap truck. So I wouldn't recommend using self-tapping screws to mount a light bar to your vehicle. You should use the included bolts if you plan on a long-term installation of your light bar. For the purpose of this video, I'm mounting it the easiest way possible. I would also recommend mounting your light bar to the bumper or somewhere below the headlights, as that is the law for auxiliary lighting in many states for road use vehicles. My state requires an opaque cover for light bars if they're mounted above the headlights and used on the road. Auxmart sells bull bar clamps that let you mount the light bar to your bull bar or brush guard or roof rack or other tubular accessory that might be mounted to the exterior of your vehicle. These clamps are made of aluminum and come in many different sizes to fit your application. I'll have a link to them in the description. They clamp onto your bull bar and bolt onto the light bar, and they come with tools and foam so they don't scratch your bull bar. A little more about the light bar: it has 40 pieces of 3-watt Philips LED chips, 16 of which are flood beam and 24 of which are spot beam. The beam angle is 30 degrees for the spot beam and 60 degrees for the flood beam. The color temperature is pure white 6000K. It's a pretty thin profile too. We'll try this out when it gets totally dark, and I'll drive this truck around in the woods. So here's the camera filming with auto. This is just the headlights on. Now I'll turn the light bar on. So there you go. Oh, look at this. Four-wheel drive switch. Turn it off so I can make some turns up in here. Oh shit. This truck has no reverse, so wherever I aim the nose is where it's going. Oh my god. I hope I don't get stuck out here. Oh shit. Well, at least I didn't get stuck. I hope I didn't wreck the header panel because I wanted to sell that. But better than being stuck. All right, well. If you're going to be doing stuff like I just did, this is the Lightbar for you. You don't have to worry about it getting wrecked if you're driving through trees and stuff. This smoke that you see is just exhaust. Alright, I'm done for tonight. Oh, gotta stop and grab my flashlight, which I left on the roof. If you would like to get yourself a Ford Ranger, I'll have the link in the description, because I'm in a Ford Ranger. And the Auxmart bar once again. Oh yeah. So I'm just going to give you a picture with the camera set on auto of what the headlights look like, and then I'll do the same thing with the light bar on. That's it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, share it, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the links in the description and leave a comment letting me know what you think. Thank you for watching.